Types of truck drivers. Part 2. The normal driver.
Oh boy, it's my first time driving a truck and following the rules.
The speedy driver.
Guys, if you beat me with your speed limit without auto brakes, you win to 900 subs.
Right into your mind. Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Whoa, deja vu, I just been in this time before. Higher on the beat, and I know it's a place to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Yeah. See the future into the present. See my past years in the distance. Try to guess now what's going on, and the band begins to play. Don't you see my condition?
Oh, shit. Not again.
The kid driver.
You are my worst student ever.
No.
Then prove me wrong.
Okay.
Turn left to Midland City or right to Beach Airport.
These nuts.
Why are you saying these nuts for?
This.
The amphibious driver.
Hey guys, check out my water-going truck. We supposed to go softly with water. Trust us on. No, my truck sinked into the water. Someone help me, Goofy HH.
The blind driver.
Hey guys, I am driving a Honda truck model 69 in the airport. Let's go to the entrance and pick some children to hell.
Wait, what? How the hell I die? Tell me what?